So in the recent past, we've heard many celebrities freezing their eggs. Well, what is this egg freezing? For the common man, it's a very vague question. So in this video, we have a doctor who will explain as to what is egg freezing, what is the procedure for egg freezing, how much money is involved, and what is the right age for egg freezing.
Now, egg freezing is a procedure whereby a woman can freeze her eggs and they continue to remain at the same age as they are frozen. These frozen eggs can then be utilized by her later whenever she decides to have pregnancies. So let's say you are currently not ready for a pregnancy and age is catching up or the biological clock is ticking. Well, one can consider egg freezing at such a time, and these eggs can be utilized by you whenever you desire to have a baby. Let me just tell you a little bit about the procedure of or how is egg freezing done. So, in order to freeze your eggs, first of all, you will have to meet a gynecologist and they will run some fertility tests for you. Now, commonly the test would be certain hormonal tests as well as an ultrasound to find out how healthy your ovaries are. Then some medications are given to you in the form of stimulating the ovaries to make nice healthy eggs. These eggs are removed from your body by a very small procedure which is called as Oocyte Retrieval, and this procedure can be done in an IVF setup. Now, once the eggs are out of your system, your doctor will do a procedure to freeze your eggs. And these eggs can be stored in this frozen state for as long as you may wish for them to be. Whenever we want to utilize these eggs are removed from the frozen state and then they are thawed and they can be utilized. They can be combined with your partner's or husband's sperm to make an embryo, and this embryo or baby can be transferred back to your womb. So typically, if you are in corporate world, you are looking at, very fruitful career at this time, or let's say there are some medical indication. For example, some patients who may be undergoing some kind of cancer treatment in the form of chemotherapy or radiation which may cause damage to your ovaries. In such cases also, freezing of the eggs can be done. Or sometimes where some women have autoimmune problems, some other medical disorders whereby we are worried that their ovaries will stop functioning at a young age, then we can opt for freezing. What would be the best age for you to freeze your eggs? Well, as a medical person, I would say that the second and the third decade of life, that means the 20s or the 30s are the best time for a woman to conceive or get pregnant. So obviously this would be the best time to freeze your eggs in case you feel you may want to utilize them at a later date. So this is in short about oocyte freezing or egg freezing. Thank you.
So if you have been thinking to get your egg freezed, hope this information was valuable to you. Well, for more such informative videos, you can simply log into our website India.com and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.